Why can't we use a user-defined boundary instead of a selected surface boundary? Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the differences between user-defined and selected surface boundaries. Alright, to make this clear, let's first examine the two toolpaths we have generated. As you can see, even with a very tight and precise tolerance, the user-defined boundary bleeds past the edges of the face and damages adjacent surfaces like this or this. On the other hand, the selected surface boundary is specifically designed for machining isolated faces without any tool marks spilling over onto neighboring surfaces. As you can see, this is a very good choice. Thanks for staying with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and leave your questions in the comments. Also, I highly recommend checking out my MTD file playlist. But wait, we are not done yet. I should mention that user-defined boundaries are mostly used for roughing operations, or when we have multiple separate areas and only want to machine a specific section. However, keep in mind that this boundary never has precise edges, so it is absolutely not suitable for finishing. I recommend that you use the selected surface or rest boundary or contact point boundary for finishing operations. Alright, in the next video we will look into resolving plunging error in stock material. Stay with me and have a great day.